Alright everybody, how you doing? Alright, so this is my new project. It's a 1947 International KB1. So today what we did was first get it in here. It was in the front of the house, and then we brought it to the back of the house and then put it in the garage. That was pretty eventful. We had to push it, of course, because it doesn't run. And we had a flat tire, so we fueled that up. But I'm going to be documenting this for anybody that has a 1947 KB1 and wants to see a restoration project from start to finish. So today what I did was, like I said, get it in here. You can see more of the truck. And each day I'm going to set a goal to try to get something done, and as long as I meet those goals, I think we'll be alright. So you guys can see what it looks like. So it's got these nasty mirrors on it, so you'll see the inside. So this is my goal today, was to get the seat out, and I didn't document that, but I will show you that there's a bolt up here, right there where I'm pointing, and then there's a bolt that goes into the body right there, and it's the same thing on the other side. So once you get those two bolts out, that seat comes out, and as you can see, the seat's right there. So I got the seat out, and there was a bunch of junk in here. It was pretty packed with dirt and corn stalks and all that stuff. So but yeah, this is the first video of the restoration project on the 1947 International KB1. So we got a long way to go, but we'll get there. I'm not going to show you the motor today. We're kind of low on time right now, but it does have the original motor in it. So it's a Green Diamond 214. So just see, I'll probably need a fender there. The rear fender's not in bad shape, but I'll give you an idea what this side looks like. So there you can see the inside on the driver's side. So it's got their original fuel tank and all that. It's got a Knox box on the back, so you can see that. So it's got a few, we're gonna have to do some body work. So my goal is to strip this down to complete metal, and then start to restore it, primer it, and then eventually it'll go out to paint. So I will reveal the motor in the next video, because in the next video I'm going to try to get this thing running. The distributor right now is the cap's off and all that, so I'll have to do that. But I did get the timing, firing rotation and all that, so I did get the timing in the firing order. That's what I meant to say, the firing order. So that's the goal next couple weeks from now. I'm going to do this whole series as I go. So, and I probably won't upload a bunch, just because I don't want to get into editing and uploading and all that stuff or whatever. So I'm just going to videotape the whole thing as far as I can go. I will videotape a lot of the motor when we get that, when we start working on that. That way you guys can see that. I do want you to be able to see the distributor and stuff like that. I know I've seen other videos on YouTube that don't, I mean, they show it like, you know, will it run or whatever, but they don't show you everything. And I want to be a little bit more in depth as far as what's going on with the motor. So that's it for now. This is going to be a quick video. Won't be too long. But yeah, that's the goal, is to get this all done and then get it all restored and get it painted and get it. I have a son that I want him to have this truck when he's ready. Right now he's about 18 months old, so there's really no rush on this. So we'll just keep going at it. You can see like the interior there. There's the dashboard, so you can see that's got the original dashboard in it. It's gonna need some new glass and all that stuff or whatever, but like I said, I'm going to take it down to bare metal and primer it, and then we'll get it running and we'll get it off the paint and all that or whatever. So that's the end goal. But yeah, that's it for today. Quick video. That way I have it, and I can show you just tell everybody what I did. So I'm going to try to get better with videotaping while I'm doing stuff. That's just going to cause more editing. So some of this stuff you may not be able to see, or I may not be able to videotape, but I can say that I am going to be on once I get these uploaded and all that. That you can message me and I can give you detailed information of what I did if I didn't videotape it. So yeah, that's it for today. It's in here. It was, like I said, it was out front. We got it through that gate right there and down this alleyway on the other side of the fence there. So we had to tow it all the way down through this gate. That was a challenge. And then we had to push it in here. And then I got all the tires off and then jacked it up so it's on jack stands. So it can't go nowhere. So, alright guys and everybody. So there it is. The 1947 KV1 International pickup truck. And this is the beginning of the restore project. Today is July and it's 2023. So we'll keep you up to date with what we got. I appreciate you guys, and hit the subscribe button and the like button and comment below with any questions you have, and I will try to answer them. Again, thank you very much. All right.